This is Up Trail 71, and this is a collaboration video with some other YouTube channels about backpacking food. And it's not about dehydrated food like Mountain House. This will be food that we make for on the trail. And now I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing. And this is what we'll be making for our collaboration video. And we actually had this at Pictured Rocks this past summer. And what is this?
It's a lime chicken tortilla wrap.
And what kind of ingredients do you have here?
Well, we have about approximately a pound of chicken here. We brought the 1 pound can of chicken with us. We have the topping, which was the sour cream, the dry parsley, Parmesan cheese. You could also use like Asiago if you wanted to. The wraps, of course, which are the flour tortillas. You can also use the corn if you'd like. And the lime marinated red cabbage. I also threw some chopped onions in there as well, and some garlic. As far as the red cabbage is concerned, you'll want to marinate it in your refrigerator the night before. I used about 3 cups of red cabbage, the juice of 1 lime, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, and I chopped some onions up as well and put in there. You could also use lime juice out of a bottle if you wanted. You know, I started with 3 tablespoons when I first did it. It's all in how you like it. Just taste it. That's pretty much it. If you do take the canned chicken out, you will also need to bring a teaspoon of dry cumin, ground, a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and of course a 1/4 teaspoon of salt for that. And you'll just dump that in while browning your chicken.
Now we're going to use the canister stove for this video. Now this is a little tippy, so you may want to hold on to the pan. This is just a cheaper mess kit pan. I think the set was around maybe $20. It is November 17th. The temperature is only in the mid-20s. And it's starting to get dark a lot earlier.
It won't take but a few minutes to heat up.
And of course you move this pan around a little bit so you don't have to flame in the exact same spot all the time.
Okay, if you want to hand me a tortilla shell, we'll get started here. And you could brown these in a pan out of camp if you wanted to, or simply hold it over a flame. Okay, so first of all, we're going to take our red cabbage here that we've marinated. We have a little dry parsley. I'm just going to sprinkle a little on there. Here I have some Parmesan cheese, and you could use Asiago once again, or any kind of cheese you like. And last but not least, you have your sour cream. Optional. And there you have it, your lemon lime chicken tortilla. Now you can cook for me.
Oh, that looks good. Delicious. Can't wait to make this again next year. And the other channel is making videos for his collaboration. It's Outland, Spigiver Backpacking, Backcountry Exposure, Restless Outdoors, Tim Watson Outdoors, Wasatch Gear Review, and SB Outdoors. So I'll leave links down below for all those channels. It'll be fun to watch their videos. And once again, thanks for watching Up Trail 71.